At CrystoVision, we know a lot of people do not avoid crypto because they lack curiosity. They avoid it because it feels like walking into a room where everyone already knows the language except you. Too many terms. Too many charts. Too many platforms trying so hard to look advanced that they forget to be useful. That is where frustration begins. The real breakthrough is not the first winning trade. It is the first moment things click. When a chart starts to make sense. When a term like spread or leverage stops sounding like finance cosplay. When decisions feel more deliberate and less like finger crossing with Wi-Fi. That shift matters more than hype ever will. At CrystoVision, we combine beginner education, practical tools, expert support, and market insights in a way that helps users actually use what they are seeing. With 1M plus completed trades, 4,000 opportunities, and 30 plus payment methods, the platform gives people room to grow without making the process feel like a puzzle designed by a caffeinated octopus. Confidence is not built by louder promises. It is built through understanding. Better charts. Better explanations. Better support. Better habits. Once that happens, trading feels less intimidating and a lot more possible. At CrystoVision, we are not just giving users access to markets. We are helping them move from confusion to clarity, from hesitation to action, and from random clicks to real decisions. That is what CrystoVision really changes.